the individual sports stars of our school, those who received the position in different states. So first of all, I may request to Honorable Director Sir to be please come upon the stage and honor our today's students and bless them. Thank you band team, such a lovely sound it was. Now, there is a first announcement. The tournament which was held at Badanavar by the organization School Games and Federation of India. Under this tournament, many of the students have achieved the position. So here are the announcement for them. As I will call the name of student, please be arrive on the stage without any further delay. So here is Kopal Salunke from class 7th under 14 age of category. She has selected football sports at the state level. Please give a huge round of hand to her. May I request Kopal to be with us. Thank you, Director Sir and Kopal. Now, here is the next, Nandini Vasunia from class 8 Mercury. She also has achievement at the state level in the karate competition under 14 category, and this tournament was held at Indore, and she has participated and performed very well. So it is another immense pride moment to honor the student Nandini Vasunia. Give a huge hand for Nandini.
Leader.
Here is Nandini. She is going to express her experience and views during this tournament.
The only thing I want to say is thank you so much to all teachers and my friends. Thank you. Thank you to everyone who has supported me, and thank you to give this trophy. Thank you everyone.
Now here is the next, Gungun Sharma, class 10th standard, under 17 category. She also gets selected for football sport at the state level. Please welcome Gungun for the stage. Now, the next, Sandeep Jawar from class 9th, under 17 category. He gets selected for karate competition at the state level. Please give a huge round of applause to Sandeep. Here is the next, Jitin Yadav from class 10th. He also gets selected for archery at the state level under the 17 category.
Sir, इधर आइए थोड़ा.
We wish you best wishes to Jitin, and we pray that in future you will get more success. Here next is Yuvraj Singh from class 12th standard. He gets selected under 19 age category for kabaddi sport. Please welcome to Yuvraj Singh. Here our director sir and our entire school team is put for our best wishes to you, Yuvraj Singh. In the next sequence, there is Anuj Jat from class 9. He also gets selected at the state level in the Kabaddi sport under the age 14 category. Please give appreciation by your applause. Now, here is the time to collectively call the team of the different sports to be arrive on the stage as a whole. One by one, please come up on the stage. Now, the first, the Kabaddi team under 19 category to be called out now. Aman Sharma, Hemant Suner, Krishna Suner, Lakshya Sharma, Sanjay Raghuvanshi, be here, please be here. Yuvraj Singh, Devanshu Vyas, Nitin Solanki, Piyush Patel, Nikunj, Abhijit Upadhyay, so dear student, as you can see, the team of Kabaddi sports under the 19 category, they played collectively as a team, and among of them some have selected, as we already announced, for the state level. We appreciate your participation, dear students, and your spirit. May wish the best wishes for the upcoming sports and tournaments. Please give a huge round of applause. The Kabaddi sport, the second team who played under the 17 category. Anmol Kamdar, Rajveer Chaudhary, Ranveer Singh Rathore, Mohit Mandole, Ranveer Singh Thakur, Soumya Joshi, Anuj Jat, Vivek Vaishnav, Yash Patel, Dhaval Rathore, Rishabh Raghuvanshi, Devansh Pawar,
सर ऐसे
Here, respected principal sir is honoring the students and giving the blessing to them.
तासे तासे
Congratulations to all the team members. We appreciate your victory and participation. Now, here is the time to call the third team of Kabaddi sport under the 14 age category. Here are the names of sports children: Aniruddha Solanki, Dev Jat, Yuvraj Jat, Atharva Patel, Anushka Verma, Rishi Raj Patel, Bhavishya Solanki, Ayush Patel, Divyansh Bamania, Raviraj Chaudhary, Here is an announcement for Ayush Raghuvanshi, the sports secretary, to be arrive on the stage. Here is the announcement for Bhavishya Solanki. He also gets selected for the Kabaddi at the state level. Please give a huge round of applause to Bhavishya. Now, here is the announcement for the badminton sport. Here is the first, Tirth Avasti from class 9th. He has played at the State Authority of India organizes the badminton tournament. He played there and performed well. We are honored and pleasant to honor him here. And next, here is Tanishka Saxena from class 8th standard, she also played badminton tournament and performed very well. We are glad to hear to honor both the students. May I request to Honorable Sports Vanchika ma'am to honor both the students. Please clap for them. Here next, Parth Patidar from class 9th. He gets selected for the cricket sport under the category of 17. May I request him to be arrive on the stage and request the Honorable Director sir to present him. Here is next Uttara Mandole from class 10th. She got selected for the Kabaddi sport which was held in DRP line. May I request here to Uttara to be arrive here. Here is next Naivedya Dharve from class 8th standard. She got selected for Kabaddi at the same venue DRP line. Niharika Dhurve from class 10th, she also gets selected for the Kabaddi under 17. May I request Niharika to be arrive here. Here the next announcement for the hockey tournament. Here are the students Ranveer Pramar from class 8th standard and Rajveer Singh Pawar. They both get selected for the division level and further will proceed. We will forward the best wishes for their upcoming tournament of hockey. Really, it is a wonderful and exciting event today. We feel the immense pride to be honor our loving students. Here, children, do you know what wonderful things? We don't know where is our potential glows. These students might be also don't know how much we are powerful to perform in which field. Here, if they can go to division level, district level, state level, and might be some will go to the national and also the international. So, if they keep that much potential in the sports, similar we also do have our potential in different fields. So it is the time to analyze and to find within ourselves where we can shine and grow. So really it is amazing and surprising and a very proudful moment for all of us to be with you and associate with you. Here is the one announcement for Samiksha Patel. She also gets selected for the Kabaddi sport which was held at DRP line. Here, please welcome to Samiksha Patel. Dear students, you can encourage your friends by your clapping. That much you can do all. As they played harder, that much not the job is harder. To appreciate someone is the best gift, you know. When they feel inspired by our gesture of clap. So that is a great thing. So please give a huge round of applause to collectively for our all the participants and the sports heroes. At conclusion, I would like to speak one thing is that as the journey or the battle is harder, that much sweeter is the fruit. So as they get or bear some pain, then they achieve some position, some success, some appreciation. So we may get the lesson from your activity, and collectively entire school family put forward the very best wishes for your upcoming tournaments, examination and your life journey. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good day.